Oh, the sun's up. You can feel the warmth in the sun. I know there's still a little bit of frost on the grass where the sun hasn't got to it yet. But it's too good a day to be wasting sitting indoors. Got lots to do. Yeah, lots to do, lots to look at. Now, I'm sort of pleased that that one's come back. That's an unusual colour tulip. That'll be nice when it opens later today. But yeah, sun's up, things to be done. Of course, there's another fellow with the same idea. He's thinking there's things to be done. There's plants to go and munch. Got to find something sweet for his breakfast. I know they're all God's creatures, but sometimes I rather wish they'd go and pray somewhere else on a Sunday morning. Yeah, they're all just saying, I'm here, I'm awake. I'm awake, you ought to be awake.